Hello, my name is David, and I serve as the Deputy Director and General Counsel for the Indiana Civil Rights Commission. This year, for Disability Awareness Month, the Commission is helping you better understand your disability rights and resources. Were you aware Title I of the Americans with Disabilities Act, or ADA, makes it unlawful for an employer to discriminate against a qualified applicant or employee with a disability? The Indiana Civil Rights Law has similar protections. Today I'm going to talk specifically about how these laws restrict the types of disability-related questions employers can ask job applicants. For employers covered under these laws, they are not permitted to ask non-voluntary disability-related questions on a job application. Similarly, there are restrictions on what can be asked during the interview process. With limited exceptions, an applicant may not be required to disclose information which may be likely to reveal a disability or medical impairment prior to being made an employment offer. Some examples of prohibited questions during the application and interview process include: do you have a heart condition? How many days were you sick last year? Have you ever filed for workers' compensation or been injured on the job? What prescription drugs are you currently taking? Have you ever been treated for mental health problems? However, employers may ask some general questions, so long as they are not intended to elicit information about a disability. Some examples of permitted questions during this pre-offer process include: are you able to perform the essential functions of the job with or without an accommodation? Can you meet our attendance requirements? Have you ever used illegal drugs? How many days were you absent from your last job? Now, in some cases, applicants may need to disclose a disability if they need an accommodation during the application or interview process. This can open the door for the employer to ask some questions about the disability to determine reasonable accommodations. However, an employer cannot refuse to consider you because you need a reasonable accommodation to apply or interview for the job. The protections I've discussed today pertain to the pre-offer period. Once a conditional job offer has been extended, employers are able to ask medical questions or require medical examinations prior to the new hire starting, so long as these are being asked of all applicants offer the same type of job. Know your rights. If you believe you or someone you know has been discriminated against due to a disability, please contact the Indiana Civil Rights Commission to discuss your situation.
The Indiana Civil Rights Commission enforces the Indiana civil rights laws and provides education and services to the public in an effort to ensure equal opportunity for all Hoosiers and visitors to the state of Indiana. If you feel you have been discriminated against or treated differently based on your disability, call our offices at 317-232-2600 and speak to an intake specialist today.